AI image generators have revolutionized the way we create images by using advanced machine learning algorithms to generate professional-looking visuals in seconds. However, the expense of a subscription can be a barrier. Fortunately, there are free AI image generators that can create high-quality visuals without any cost. Curious to know which ones they are? Let's get started. Imagine Meta. To keep pace in the AI competition, Meta has introduced a new product called Imagine with Meta AI in response to Google Gemini's recent debut. This standalone AI tool specializes in converting text to images, akin to OpenAI's well-known Dall-e platform. With Imagine with Meta AI, you just describe what you want to visualize, let the generative AI do its work, and within seconds, you'll have a personalized image based on your input. Unveiled during Meta Connect 2023 in November, Imagine with Meta AI builds upon a similar image generator that was previously launched in beta for Meta-owned WhatsApp earlier this year. What sets Imagine with Meta AI apart is its status as a standalone website, distinguishing it from other Meta platforms. To get started, you simply visit the dedicated website, log in with your Meta credentials, and you're ready to begin creating. Accessing Meta's new Imagine AI image generator is straightforward. Visit imagine.meta.com. Click Login to generate, choose to log in or create a Meta account using Facebook, Instagram, or email, and follow the prompts to connect or create your Meta account. It's important to note that Imagine by Meta is currently restricted to the US. If you're outside the US, you may go through the entire process only to encounter a screen indicating that the service is not available in your location, as is the case in the UK. SoulGen. SoulGen is an AI image generator known for its user-friendly interface and its capability to produce high-quality images. One distinctive feature of SoulGen is its ability to generate anime-style images, catering specifically to anime enthusiasts looking to craft their characters or scenes. The tool provides a range of customization options, allowing users to select the character's hair and eye color, clothing style, and even facial expressions. Another noteworthy aspect of SoulGen is its straightforward and intuitive interface. Users can easily navigate through the platform's various features, creating stunning images in just seconds. Additionally, the platform offers a library of pre-existing images that users can use as a starting point or for inspiration. SoulGen provides users with two options, a free basic plan and a premium plan. While the basic plan grants access to the majority of the platform's features, the premium plan comes with extra advantages, including higher resolution images, unlimited downloads, and the freedom to use the generated images for commercial purposes. Dall-e 2. Dall-e 2 stands out as an AI image generator utilizing clip, contrastive language image pre-training, to create high-quality images based on text prompts. Notably, the platform provides both outpainting and in-painting features, enabling users to generate images with specific details or remove undesired elements from existing images. This distinctive approach to image generation caters to both creative professionals and enthusiasts. A key feature of Dall-e 2 is its capacity to generate images based on text prompts, allowing users to input specific details and ideas that the platform interprets and transforms into an image. The outpainting feature enables users to extend images beyond their current boundaries, making it perfect for crafting panoramic landscapes or filling in missing details. Conversely, the in-painting feature facilitates the removal of unwanted elements from existing images, proving valuable for photo editing. Although the platform's user interface may pose some complexity for beginners, extensive documentation and tutorials are available to assist users in getting started. While Dall-e 2 initially provides free credits for image generation, users will need to purchase additional credits once they are depleted. Midjourney. Midjourney stands out as a robust AI image generator employing SoulGen 2 to produce high-quality images. Notably, it excels in generating remarkably accurate and visually stunning art images, thanks to its use of advanced machine learning algorithms. This makes it an ideal tool for artists, designers, and content creators seeking realistic image outcomes. A distinctive feature of Midjourney is its accessibility via Discord, catering to users who are already active on the platform. While the user interface may seem a bit intricate for beginners, users can easily navigate its various features and options with some practice. In terms of pricing, Midjourney offers a free beta program with a limited number of image generation credits. Once users surpass the beta program's limit, they are required to purchase a subscription. Canva. Canva is a widely used and user-friendly AI-powered tool for generating images, designed to help users craft polished designs effortlessly. It comes with various features, including the ability to generate images based on text prompts. The platform is particularly well suited for individuals without design experience who want to produce visually appealing graphics for social media, websites, and other platforms. Canva offers a library of templates and graphics, simplifying the process for beginners to create distinctive and visually striking visuals. Beyond its simplicity, Canva allows users to customize and edit images, providing them with control over the final product. Moreover, Canva is accessible on multiple platforms, including web and mobile apps, facilitating convenient use while on the go. In summary, Canva stands out as an excellent tool for those seeking to swiftly and effortlessly create professional-looking images. PicSo. PicSo, functioning as an AI image generator, employs generative adversarial networks (GANs) to craft high-quality and distinct images. Notably, it has gained popularity as an AI art generator, including NSFW, making it a preferred choice for adults. One standout feature of PicSo is its capacity to create anime-style images, making it particularly appealing to enthusiasts of anime. This web-based tool also offers an app version that extends its services to features such as photo-to-anime and meme creation. Using PicSo is straightforward. Users can input text prompts or choose from available options, and the platform generates an image based on the input. The GANs incorporated by PicSo ensure that each image is both unique and visually captivating, positioning it as an excellent tool for crafting attention-grabbing visuals for social media, websites, and various other platforms. Craiyon. Craiyon, formerly known as Dall-e Mini, stands out as a robust and user-friendly AI image generator that provides an array of features for crafting visually striking images. Powered by SoulGen, it excels at producing high-quality images suitable for social media, websites, and various platforms. Notably, Craiyon is celebrated for its user-friendly interface, making it particularly well-suited for beginners. A standout capability of Craiyon is its aptitude for generating images based on text prompts. Users can input text, prompting the platform to generate an image corresponding to the provided text. This functionality proves especially beneficial for creating visuals for articles, blog posts, and other written content. Beyond its fundamental features, Craiyon offers advanced options, allowing users to tailor aspects such as image size, resolution, and aspect ratio. Furthermore, users can choose from diverse image styles, encompassing abstract, realistic, and artistic options. So, that was our video on the 7 AI sites to create images for free. Tell us which one you are waiting the most to try out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you can always hustle more, but with ease.